Hello to all my friends, associates, and clients out there. All right, well, it's the holidays. We just are about to wrap up 2023. I hope it was a great year for you and you accomplished some big goals, helped a lot of people. We have a few days here to relax, decompress, spend some time with the family, and I want you to do that, of course. Let's all do that. That's what I'm doing. But then, in a day or two, let's get ready for a big 2024. And a message I wanted to share in this video is, as we're doing that, something that we can do is take a minute in a quiet space, quiet time, and write down 5 big goals, big audacious goals for 2024 that we really want to accomplish. That's going to help our businesses, it's going to help our families, things that you want to get done. If you're a client of Walker Creative, what I would love is to get those from you, because what we can do is we can align the marketing programs and strategies that we're doing for you to those goals and help you get them accomplished. And look, if you've been to a marketing workshop or webinar that I've delivered over the past year, you can also send me yours. I will give you feedback. I'll respond to you. Me personally, I'm going to do those write-ups myself, but I can tell you, always, one of my big goals is just to help as many people and businesses as I can possibly help with marketing support. So I will get back to you. So let's make 2024 fantastic for you. Let's go.